Hey, how's it going? Happy 4th of July. So, what am I doing today? Well, I'm out in the shed. I built a drill bit holder, and I want to put it together. Yeah, 2x4 left over, and now I'm just going to put a bunch of pieces in it. Here's the big boy right here. Here's the spade bits. And here's another one. It's got more of a tooth on the edges, so I can't mix it with these. Put that on its own. It's an orphan by itself. And put my sockets in here. There, extra drill bit. Put that over there, and I got plenty of extra room, in the back and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I'm kind of an organizational freak. Here's my leather gloves. I'm going to put my safety glasses up in there. You know, when you're a kid, you never think about, watching like Tool Time or was it Home Improvement, and the dad was always in the garage and like, why don't you play with me? Getting older, I get it. The shed is fun. Shed, garage. Alright, there we go. Got some safety glasses on there. Got a box cutter. Where should I put that? There? That'd be cool. See if I got the parts. Maybe this will work. Too big. Surely some small ones. Oh well. See if I can find something that'll fit this. Here's some hardware. Whoops. Hooks and screws. Wrote a song last night. Well, this morning, I guess. Hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. It's called, what is it called? It'll Be Different. It'll Be Different. So, hopefully it'll be different, That works. Got a little hook. That looks good. And I'll leave it up. Hover up. Alright. That's it. Cool. Cool.